Yeah. Hi guys, so today I'm looking hella crusty. Excuse that, I'll be doing a second video today and I'll include a special guest, so stay tuned for that video. But this video is a haul and showing my this month or last month, I don't know which month, influencer box. And you guys saw my last influencer Influenster box. I got, what did I get? Some liners. So this time I got something else. I'll be showing you guys that. So here are my packages. Yeah, my packages. And yeah, I'm going to show you what's in the influencer box first. So yeah. And this month's influencer box is from Dove, and yeah, let me open that. And they have different scents. Oh, it's a deodorant, and yeah, this is it. It comes in the box, and they have this card. That's the box, and yeah, it says feel the difference, 48 hours protection on plus softer, smoother underarms, Dove Advanced Care. So this month's influencer box that I got is from Dove, and it's the Advanced Care Caring Coconut Nourishing Moisture. So yeah, it's a 48-hour antiperspirant. Yeah, so yeah, it's let's see how it smells. It smells real nice. You smell more of the floral scent more than the coconut, but it smells really nice. Yeah, so that's this month's influencer box, and yeah. Right, so to my haul, this box from BH Cosmetics, and this is what's inside. We get a little thing, flyer, saying thank you for choosing BH Cosmetics and all of their social media links and names, and then 2015 and a picture of their summer collection. And let's take a look what's in this box. So the first thing is my brush roll, my new brush roll, and this is a 24 brush roll. I just needed a new brush roll to use for my kits, so I got one, and this is it. Ooh, smells like pleasant. Yeah, so these are the brushes. All these brushes, 24, and yeah, they all come in plastic. So this is my new brush set. Can't wait to play with it. All these brushes. I do have to clean them every day. That's the benefit of having a lot of brushes. You do have to clean them every day. Ooh, this is the one that I love the most from my other one because it's so nice for blending. Like, yay. So that's the first thing in the box. My brush roll. What I see, I think this is the invoice. Yes, the invoice. Y'all don't see that. Oh, I got the brush roll for $20, and that was half off because it's normally $40. And yeah, so the other two items are in this, and I bought this when they had the BOGO sale. So I got one thing for free. I bought one and I got the other one for free. So here they are. So I bought the 28 color eyeshadow palette, and I got the Brazilian Take Me to Brazil palette for free. So here is the 28 sets, and I can't wait to clean this, guys. Do some bridal makeup with this. Open. Yay! Oh my god, guys. Here is the 28 palette. It's showing a glare. I love the new packaging from BH. You can see the colors before you open the palette. That's so convenient. So these are the colors. They have some shimmer and some mattes, and I can't wait to dip my fingers in these, or my brushes. But yeah, this, guys. Ooh, so pretty. One more. It's so shimmy. This looks like a color though from my Naked 3 palette. Yeah, rose gold in it. It looks like that. It's so pretty, guys. Yay. And the last thing, the Take Me to Brazil palette. It has a film over it. Let me open this. So yeah, this has been out for a long time, but I just didn't get it. And it's a 30 color eyeshadow palette, and here it is. Woo. I got more colors to play with. There they are. I can't wait to play with this orange. It's kind of dull, lower than I expected. Yay, this yellow. Ooh, yeah, guys. So, new palette to play with. I'll be doing some color looks with this. Let me see this back. Okay, guys. So, let me see. The 28 palette was for $12, and I think it was half off. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's it, guys. Box is empty, and that's it for my haul. I'm gonna record the other video now, so stay tuned for that video. And yeah, remember to be and a brain fart. Wear the best you for the world to see. And this is Moya Lovely saying bye bye, guys. I really love this mascara, and I'll always buy this mascara. I also have another mascara.